Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11th. In last video student, we have understand the Boolean logic in which we have covered not operation, and operation, or operation along with its gate also like not gate, and gate, or gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and NOT gate. After that we have understand what is the truth table and De Morgan's law and Boolean algebra's laws also. In this video we are going to understand logic circuit. So student, logic circuits are actually those circuits which are derived from with the basic operation of Boolean algebra with the help of their gates, and we are going to design them diagrammatically in 2D paper, I mean to say paper. So let's begin. So I can show you with the help of example. The question may arise like this: write the Boolean expression of described, that is mathematically, behavior of logic circuit. In figure number 10, you can see that figure number 10, and what input will be considered to produce the logic 1 output. Show with the help of truth table also. So here you can see student, a diagram has shown here as a question diagram whose input are A, B and C. There are 3 signals. First A input taken by NOT gate, then this whatever the output will come, it will attach with along with B signal with AND gate, and whatever the final output of this particular A, NOT and B will also attach with the OR operator, I am to say OR gate, and at last NOT, that is output is X. So now we are going to understand its a solution student, how to specify its input and output in figure number 11. So here same input is A, B and C. There are 3 input signal, and from where the input signal is going to start, we are going to just say dot, and then here is A equals to not A. It means to say A will be converted in A bar, and here is B signal is passing from here, and it is finally attached with A not signal with AND gate. So here you can see AND gate. So this will be A not dot B. I am to say A bar dot B, and whatever the A dot B will pass, it will be considered as not final output. It is also considered as intermediate input for this particular gate, that is OR gate. So here is C signal, and along with A bar dot B plus definitely C, because this is OR gate, and it finally the output another gate, that is NOT. So you can see the NOT X equals to, if final output is X signal, so X will be definitely A bar B, because AB bar, so here is AB bar already there, plus C whole bar, that means to say AB bar plus C of whole bar. This will be output. If you are talking about it's a truth table, so you can consider student, so truth table will be show you how to use that. So here 3 signals are there, A, B and C. First of all, we'll take A will be 0, then 1, B will be 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, and C 0 1 0 1 0 1. It is also depends of to the power n, because to the power n it means to say to the power 3, so 8. So that's why the truth table will design. So here A bar, so we'll directly convert this A to A bar. So here if A is 0, so A1, A 0 1, so same way 1 1 1, and then after that here is 0 1 1, and then after that we will convert in the 0 and 0, and here A dot, that is meant to say A bar dot B. So here A bar dot B, we will multiply A bar with B. So 1 into 0 will be 0, 1 into 0 will be again, here will be 1, and same way you can see that A bar dot B will calculate like this, and this will be particular output, and then A dot B plus C bar. So here A dot B, then we are going to add with C, so this will be output, and at last whatever the output of this particular will say, we will just invert this 0 1, then 1 of 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 0. So you can see in this particular output only 1 has considered, in condition number 1, condition number 4th, condition number 7th, etc. Now we are going to understand the next one thing, how to draw the logic gate or logic circuit with the help of given Boolean expression. So you can see that if expression is x equals to AB plus ABC plus A dot B bar dot C bar plus A dot C bar. So in this condition, what we are going to do? Simply we are going to draw the circuit with the help of this particular diagram. So here A, B, C, there are three signals, okay, and this dot represent the signal is spread one in this part and another one in this part. So same way B, this is signal spread in B part, that is here is B and here is again B, okay. So same way A signal, first of all we will solve this particular AB. So AB, it meant to say A dot B. A and B will attach along with the help of what thing? AND gate. So we have taken A, so A pass through this particular circuit and B also, that is final output AB of this particular gate, that is AND gate. And here is ABC, so A, B and C directly will go to this AND gate again. So here will be A dot B dot C or ABC, and then A, B bar dot C bar. So here we have taken one thing, student, we have just passed this C along with NOT gate, and same way B has passed along with this again NOT gate. So here you can see A, I directly pass through here, A signal is comes here from here, C signal from here, that is C bar, and B signal again comes here and convert in a B bar. So here is A into B bar into C bar. So this will be A, B bar, C bar. And at last A, C bar. So here A signal will transmit like similar like this without any NOT gate, and C from this one you can see AC. So A into C bar. So finally these all signal are attached with one gate, that is OR gate. So this OR gate will provide you the additional feature, that means to say mathematical additional. So A plus, finally X will be definitely A into B plus A into B into C plus A into B bar into C bar plus A into C bar. So you can see, student, we have understand how to draw the logic diagram of a Boolean expression. Same way the question may arise, what will the Boolean expression of given diagram? So we will just invert it, I am to say reverse this. Simply what we have taken, we have to just separate the gate first, like this first one, second one, third one and fourth one, and at last whatever the last gate, it will be considered as like AND or not, OR, so plus along with that also. So suppose that the question is same here, with the help of this particular diagram we need to just convert this diagram to Boolean expression. So first of all we'll solve first one gate A dot B, it means to say A dot B will write here. Then second one thing ABC, so simply we'll type ABC without any symbol here, because this symbol comes at last gate with the help of last gate, and again space, then A, C bar and B bar. So here A, that is B bar and C bar. So sequence will be same. If it is ABC, so write ABC only, not A, C, B, A, C bar, B. So you will same write it there like ABC. So in same sequence you will write A, B bar into C bar, and at last CA, the empty is C bar A, so you will write here A, C bar. At last whatever the gate connect all this signal, you will provide the appropriate symbol between these terms. I am to say here plus, plus, plus. If it is suppose that AND gate again, so you will provide here dot. I hope, student, you have understand how to draw the diagram for Boolean expression and vice versa. Till then, student, thank you and have a nice day.